Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the confirm requests on ChatGPT Siri on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and integrate ChatGPT with Siri, but you don't want it to have a confirm request every time you ask it something. How do you actually go ahead and remove that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto Settings. Next, scroll down and click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then from here, you want to go and scroll down again and then click on ChatGPT. Now, on this page here is where you can go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account so that you can use ChatGPT with Siri. Now, in order to remove the request, all you've got to do is click on Confirm Request and toggle that off. And there you have it. Now ChatGPT will no longer send a request before sending it back to ChatGPT. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove the confirm requests on ChatGPT Siri on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.